Another form of testing that we have as an option is snapshots, and the snapshots are very much a feature of Jest. They're not CDK specific, but we can use them for our CDK use case. So for example, if we create a template composed of empty stack and our construct, we could snapshot the whole template body, the whole JSON, and compare it to the later versions when this gets run again, for example, if we do some refactoring. And so I'm just going to add a test case in here, and we could say it creates the correct infrastructure. And let's do expect template.json to JSON, sorry, to match snapshot. And then when I run this for the first time, when we do our test here, and I'm going to just pop back up to the original option, you can see at the bottom it says one snapshot written from one test file. And we can open up the snapshots folder that's sitting within our test folder here, and we can see that snapshot, and we can have a look at it and inspect the full template JSON. And so you might choose to do this. You might think, well, there's quite a lot of properties in there, quite a lot of options I have to look at and verify. Let's just make a snapshot. I think one of the challenges is that when people come to change the tests in the future or update the construct itself, they need to make sure that the snapshot is still valid. There might be some cases where the snapshot changes, but that's fine, that's expected, that's okay. And there might be cases where the snapshot isn't supposed to change, but it does, and we're relying on those end users, those developers working on these tests, to verify that the snapshot should have changed in that way before they update it. It's actually quite telling, I think, that the progen template that we use to make this construct comes with the update snapshot option on. So Jest would silently update any existing snapshots, and it wouldn't fail, if something had changed and that meant that the snapshot would need to change. So it really depends on your personal stance on snapshots and whether you like that style of testing or not. But I just wanted to quickly demonstrate it, that you can do it by taking the template JSON and then popping it into there.